Now we move into Learning Objective 2. ABC has clear benefits, but it also has limitations. The main benefit is improved accuracy. Overhead is assigned based on actual activity consumption. This improves pricing, product mix decisions, and profitability analysis. However, ABC is expensive and time-consuming to implement. It also requires managers to identify cost drivers, which can be subjective. Additionally, ABC must be updated frequently or the system becomes outdated and inaccurate. This slide summarizes and reiterates the major benefits and limitations. The benefits: more accurate cost allocations and improved decision making. The limitation: expensive to implement and difficult to identify accurate cost drivers. Now let's match activities and cost drivers for S&H Cosmetics. Activities include material purchasing, machine setup, manual mixing, automated packaging, and inspection. Cost drivers include labor hours, machine hours, batches, raw material part numbers. Pause here and work through the activity. Once you've finished, check your answers with the solution provided in the back of Chapter 5. Now we move into the steps of implementing ABC. ABC is not complicated conceptually, but it requires a structured approach. The major steps in ABC costing are: 1. Identify activities that drive costs. Then, allocate overhead to activity cost pools. Then, determine cost drivers for each activity. The fourth step is to compute activity-based overhead rates. And then finally, assign overhead costs to products based on cost driver usage. These steps allow overhead to be traced more accurately to products. Now let's compute ABC overhead rates for S&H Cosmetics. We are given each activity cost pool and the expected usage of its cost driver. For each pool, the overhead rate is the estimated overhead for activity divided by the expected use of the cost driver. Pause here and work through the activity. Once you've finished, check your answers with the solution in the back of Chapter 5.